Let's look at the CRC Power Lube Industrial High Performance Aerosol Lubricant Spray. This is what I use for my motorcycle cables, on my brake line and my clutch line, and also on my bicycle brake line. This water-resistant lubes cables, bearings, gears, linkages, motors, chains, rollers, pulleys, valves, hinges. It reduces friction, corrosion, wear from various metal equipment, tools, vehicle applications, provides longevity and performance to your equipment, and has been in business since 1958. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.